Ever wanted to do something fun, meaningful, and good for your community all at once? Volunteering might be exactly what you're looking for. It's not just about giving your time. It's about gaining experiences that shape who you are. Think of it as a chance to hang out with friends, meet new people, and discover skills you didn't know you had. Whether you're passionate about the environment, education, animals, or simply enjoy helping others, there's a role that fits your vibe. And the best part? You'll make a real impact. So what is volunteering exactly? It means offering your time, energy, or talents to support others without expecting anything in return. Whether it's cleaning up your neighborhood, helping at a shelter, or mentoring younger students, volunteering connects you to causes that matter and helps build a stronger, kinder community. Volunteering isn't just about helping others, it helps you grow too. You gain real-world skills like teamwork and problem-solving that can even boost your CV or college applications. Plus, it's a great way to improve your mental health. Studies show volunteering reduces stress and builds confidence because doing good feels good. And let's not forget the friendships. You'll meet people who share your passions and form bonds that can last far beyond a single event. Volunteering can be seriously fun. Picture yourself at a beach cleanup with music in the background, or painting a giant mural that transforms a dull wall into art. You might join a community garden where you get your hands dirty, then share the veggies with the neighbors. Or you can help run a youth sports program, cheering kids on as they learn new moves. Every moment adds up for you and your community. So think about it. What issues do you care about most? The environment? Education? Helping others feel included? Rescue animals? Helping the homeless? There's a volunteer role waiting for you that matches your interests. The cool thing is, you don't have to do it alone. Bring a friend or make new ones along the way. Volunteering is about connection between you and your community. Every act of voluntary service, big or small, shows that young people like you have the power to create real change. Ready to jump in? Check out local volunteer possibilities, school programs, NGOs, or youth groups to find opportunities near you. Volunteering is fun, impactful, and life-changing. So why wait? And trust us, you'll gain more than you give.